Watch this. Same question, two different answers. One's generic AI slop, the other responds exactly the way I asked. The only difference? 7 questions I said at one time. This is the one step you don't want to skip. It's not your prompts, it's your instructions. And I'm going to walk you through all 7. So stick around because I'm going to offer you a free tool that writes your answers for you. So let's get started. So here's a step a lot of people miss. Inside your Claude settings, there's a box called Instructions for Claude. Most people never touch it. They don't even know it's there. They just open a chat and start typing. And that's the problem. Claude has no idea who you are, so it talks to you like it talks to everyone else. Generic, safe, robotic. But here's what you do instead. You give it specific instructions, and I'm going to walk you through the 7 questions that I answered. You can use mine, or you can make your own. Either way, let's go. Question number 1. Who are you? This is the foundation. It tells Claude who it's working with. Here's mine. That's it. 1 or 2 lines. Your name, what you do, the context you bring to the chats. Now Claude talks to me like an adult who runs a business. Question number 2. Who is Claude to you? This sets the relationship. Do you want Claude to be a partner, coach, a tutor, a friend? Here's what mine says. See the difference? An assistant takes orders and says yes to everything. A smart friend tells you what they actually think. So pick the word that fits how you want Claude to show up. It changes the whole tone. Question number 3, and this is the big one. How should Claude communicate with you? If you only do one of these 7, make sure you do this one. It's the biggest lever on how it sounds. Here's mine. Remember that wall of text from the start? That's the default. My setting is keep it tight. So think about how you like to read. Short or punchy, summarized, casual or formal. Tell it. You're teaching it how you want it to talk to you. Most people skip this and they wonder why it sounds like a robot. Question number 4. How much detail do you want? Same idea, but it's all about length. Here's mine. That way, I get quick answers when I'm moving fast and depth when I actually need it. Question number 5 is, how much freedom does Claude have to act on its own? Should it ask permission every time, or should it just do it? Here's mine. I don't want it to stop acting at every step. If you're more careful, you can do the opposite. Tell it to check in before anything. Either way, you can decide. Question number 6, and this is the one most people miss, because does Claude have permission to have an opinion? By default, AI wants to make you happy. It agrees with you, tells your idea is great. Well, that's not always helpful. I don't want a yes man, I want the truth, even when it challenges me. Here's mine. That one line turns Claude from a yes machine into a real thinking partner. Now it tells me when I'm wrong, or points out what I missed. So give it permission to push back. Trust me, it's going to change everything. The last one. Question number 7. What are your hard rules? The lines Claude can never cross. Here's mine, and it's a real pet peeve. You can spot AI writing instantly whenever it has some M dashes. So I made it a hard rule. Yours can be anything. Words it should never use, topics it should avoid. Whatever they are, put them in, and that's it. So here's the fun part. You're probably thinking, I don't want to write all 7 from scratch. But here's a good thing, you don't have to. I built a free tool that does it for you. Now here's a link in the description for you, check it out. All you need to do is click it, answer a few questions in your own words, and it'll write the whole instructions for you. Next, copy the prompt. You're going to go into your Claude settings on the bottom left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see the General tab on the bottom left. You find the box that says Instructions for Claude. Go ahead and paste in the prompt and hit save. That's it. Now, every time you start a new chat, you'll feel the difference right away. So here's the big takeaway. Claude is only as good as what it knows about you. Most people fight with it. They get generic answers and they blame their prompts. It's not the prompts, it's the setup. So click the link, fill it out, set up your instructions, and you'll have a much better experience with Claude. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.